I had been here before and promised to bring the girls. The coast here offers these natural pools formed by ancient lava flows. The sea was rough, but some of the pools were calmed and warmed by the sun. And then we were surprised to see our friend Jeffrey. He's the man who fixed my outboard motor. He had the afternoon off and decided to come and meet us. Originally from São Nicolau Island, Jeffrey lives and works here on Sal. It's been his home for many years. He wanted to show us another set of pools, more spectacular, and just a short walk away. Wendy unfortunately had not brought the proper shoes and was slowly making her way in flip-flops or barefooted. But Fannie was there for support. There, it was worth the extra steps. Jeffrey was on the lookout for whales, and we did see one. And Fannie? Well, she just had to get wet. Once again, I forgot to bring a bag to collect sea salt. Damn it. It was time to go. We took a taxi here, so we would have to walk back. Our chances of hailing one down were pretty slim. But when you walk, you have time to see things. Jeffrey explained that there were 2 desalination plants here. The old one, which broke down for several days a while back, and the new one that's not yet operational. And he showed us a swimming hole where there was an underwater passage. He said he'd gone through in calmer times.
Tinha guia profissional, muy cool.
That's right, Jeffrey was giving us the tour. Like this thing, what is it? Well, it's a sightseeing submarine. It was operating in Santa Maria several years ago. Then, money must have ran out. And here it is. Want to buy it? We invited Jeffrey over for drinks, and he brought over a fish for dinner. As well, he cooked it. Man, the guy is quite a catch himself. Eventually, he went home, And Fannie, well, she had to satisfy herself with dessert. Local cakes smothered with sweet condensed milk. And then later, well, she had work to do.
Okay, today we rented a car. This is our little car. Yeah. Only cost $50 for the day. Go around the whole island to see different places we couldn't see with Galopin or by shared taxi. So, these are my two guides. Wendy, wonderful Wendy, Wendy Wow. Fannie, Fannie Doidex. Fannie Fun. Here we go. Okay, menino. Tá onde? Guia turista. Ah? Onde, Wendy? Onde? Acho que nós fazer.
Botar a ilha.
Não lá. Descobrir coisas diferentes. Levou ilha, levou terra.
Fannie's stay was almost over, and we wanted to discover more of the island, like this residential place, this little town called Mordera. It's pretty quiet here. We came onto this message. Maybe it was once in a bottle. We couldn't decipher it. Must be from far away. Out there in the distance is the bay where Wendy and I anchored.
Still nice, still cool. Magnolia. Oh, Alex, we got V. Relaxadas móvel, man.
Moving on, we passed big, all-inclusive hotels. Girls were turned on. They'd like to stay there. Yeah, or would they? Then we went to another famous spot here, Punta Preta.
Speak in English to our English audience, to our English people.
English people. Chill. So chill. Espectacular. Maravilhoso.
Não vai pra praia, pode ser que não vai pra praia, tomar um banho.
Sim, primeiro vai pra praia, não tomar um banho. Luxo. É luxo.
Não gosto de luxo.
Coisa sustentável.
I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. Serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you hate me, rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic, baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy.
pretty gorgeous beaches, eh? I told you so.
Santa Maria now. Tourist spot. Drunk folks on the floor. Yeah, it's still what?
We had one last stroll in Santa Maria and went to see our friend Maurizio. Sadly, it's time to go, ladies.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.